Dear friends, dear comrades, during the mandate of Ivi Josipović, Croatia became a member of the EU. Josipović strengthened the international image of Croatia, opened a dialogue with the countries of the Western Balkans and contributed to the stability in the region. He supported the cooperation with the countries which are not yet in the EU, but aspire to and need to be part of our European family. This is why we, as the Socialists and Democrats in the European Parliament, give him our full support for the second mandate. As the president of our political group, I invite you to go out and vote for Ivo. This Sunday, you vote for Ivo. Cross the finger. Good luck.